Hello, thank you for joining me. This is exercise on page 134 in the book, The Science of Movement, Exercise, and Mental Health. This is finding center in supine. You're going to begin on your back. You're going to take one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest. I like to rock a little bit as soon as I get down here just to feel the pressure of the floor against me. You're going to pick up your feet one at a time. Should feel easy. You shouldn't feel like you have to do a lot of work to get here. Now, I want you to imagine there's a line between your hand that's on your chest and your hand that's on your belly. You're going to keep that line connected. You're going to rotate to the left so that your hands move at the same time, back to center, and then rotate to the right. There's a number of things you can play with here. You can play with the skin of the belly, rotating. You'll find that if you do that, you get over a little faster. You can play with the hip, lifting off the floor to get you over. This area is heavy, so it gets you over a little faster. Once you've done that a few times, set your feet down, rest your hands by your sides, and just take a moment to feel the sense of yourself against the floor. Give that a try and see how it goes. Thank you.